ideas. Now picked up by Nemtajela. Back wide. He's laid it off for Mbule. Nemtajela. Moremi. 7 goals already in all competition. Mbule laying it off to Moremi. Nemtajela has given it away cheaply here. It's fallen here for Jerome Carlsen. Turned in fields where Dlamini has to stretch for it. Nemtajela has netted in back-to-back league games, having also scored in the loose. Well, one in the air. Mandaba. Nemtajela holding off Ndlovu and has lofted it out to Apollos here. Moremi. Tsapang Moremi threading it through. Ndaba laying it across. Can they stick it away? Not this time around. It's still there and it has been turned in.
It's able to turn, and once he faces his own goal, look at the pass that he threads there. Finds Ndaba as well. Yes, Nemtajela lost the ball, but Ndaba again trying to play the cross. I think the deflection
yeah, it's a deflection.
The same attributes as some of the left backs. I can see that touch there from Nemtajela.
Makropa snuck in really well and locates Nemtajela. It's Makropa falling here for Aston Apollos. Nemtajela, Bule, now Nduli. Makropa, Siande Ndlovu. Following the conclusion of match day 11 over the weekend, he had created 25 chances. That's well ahead of last season's top creator, Kaletso Makhalwa. He has 19 this campaign. Ndlovu already has created 5 more clear-cut opportunities than he did over the course of the entire previous season. Apollos, Nemtajela, Sibisu. Son Apollos losing out. Nemtajela fouled. Virginia Dion has now gone into the referee's book. Some will feel it was a long time coming.
Yeah, he's been involved in a couple of challenges, that is Dion.
Yeah, he can have no complaints.
Yeah, I cannot. Maybe
Siande Ndlovu scored Arrow's only goal against Pirates in the previous campaign. In the 2-1 defeats. Nemtajela. Characterised probably the final quarter hour in that way. And it's Arrows of the two sides who thrive in the chaos a little more perhaps than today's visitors.
yeah, they are indeed. And the visitors, with all the experience that they have, they should be the one that actually controls more of the tempo of the game, especially coming from a game that's, required so much energy against Sol.
Arrows have been on the back foot since the restart. Nemtajela. Nemtajela. Libitso. Worked a treat against Marumo Gallants in a game they were already leading, to be fair. This is a completely different equation as Nemtajela looks for Moremi. Almost gets a little lucky with that pass.
With the Golden Arrows, this team needs to throw them back into the game to try and get that equalizer. They need to play in Orlando Pirates half.
Given away by Gianni. This is looking good. Does get the cross in, Moremi, but can't find Maswanganyi. Nemtajela. Gets it again, wriggles free. Maswanganyi laying it off. Wide of the mark. Some way wide from Moremi, in truth. 12 yards out.
Yeah. Look at how the number of bodies there from Golden Arrows. They're unable to clear that ball, but with just a quick quick and shoot turn from Remy. Really didn't have much options because inside the box you're forced to kick it a little bit quicker. All you're hoping for is you're trying to hit the target.
Mangoben Miti repaying his faith in them. The 19th and 20th shots on target that Pirates have actually faced all season. It's the fewest of any of the teams in the Betway Premiership.
They play, they still continue believing in the philosophy of getting those triangles playing out and using that energy going forward. The tempo of the game hasn't dropped at all from Golden Arrows. It's a good sign of a team that is ambitious in space. Bafana players, but Golden Arrows never sit back.
And it means they'll always be entertaining to watch as Mofokeng picks it up. Really try something extravagant. Tito, the layoff is excellent. Nemtajela. Mbata. It's a lovely ball and all for Nemtajela here. Doesn't make a clean connection. The calendar, you should know, it's more than likely going to live up to expectations. Van Rooyen, intercepted by Mbata. Nemtajela, Subisi, Butuma.